So now we have conditional probability of E given F as probability of E intersection F by probability of F. This is the conditional probability of E and F. So that means the probability of E, given that F has already occurred, where provided P of F not equal to 0. Now, look, if E and F are two events of the same sample space S, E and F are two events of the sample space S, then the event E and F, this is represented by E intersection F. This can be denoted as EF. EF means don't think this is a E into F, it is E intersection F. So probability of E and F can be denoted as probability of E intersection F, and it is denoted as P of EF. That means probability of E and probability of E and F is denoted as this one, or the simultaneous occurrence of E and F. This event is the simultaneous occurrence of E and F. So the probability of simultaneous occurrence of E and F or probability of E and F is denoted as P E intersection F or P of EF. Now look, if we cross multiply this, what happens? Probability, when you multiply this, probability of F into probability of E given F is equal to probability of E intersection F, provided probability of F not equal to 0. So what is this one? We can write it as probability of EF. So probability of EF is equal to probability of E into probability of F given E, isn't it? Probability of E intersection F is equal to probability of E intersection F. This is equal to probability of F into probability of E given F. Probability of E into F is equal to probability of this function, this event, into probability of E given F. Then also we have probability of F given E. What is probability of the conditional probability of F given that E has already? Here E ആണ് first occur ചെയ്തത്. Then what is the probability of F? That is probability of F intersection E. That is same as E intersection F divided by, but it is probability of E, provided probability of E not equal to 0. Again cross multiply. When you cross multiply, you will get probability of E into probability of F given E is equal to probability of E intersection F. We have proved that probability of E intersection F is equal to probability of F into probability of E given F. Now it is probability of E intersection F is equal to probability of E into probability of F given E. Here provided P of F not equal to 0, here P of E not equal to 0. So you can find the probability of E and F or probability of E intersection F by using two formulas, either probability of E into probability of F given E or probability of F into probability of E given F. This is applicable only when P of F not equal to 0, and this is applicable only when P of E not equal to 0. So this is called the multiplication theorem on probability or multiplication rule on probability. So we can write that if events of the sample space S of a random experiment, then probability of E intersection F, it can be written as probability of EF, is equal to probability of E into probability of one of the event into probability of the second one given that first one has already occurred, if probability of E not equal to 0. And this is equal to probability of F into probability of E given F. But here P of F not equal to 0. If so, this theorem result is called multiplication rule on probability. Probability of E intersection F or EF is equal to probability of one of the event into probability, the conditional probability of the other on given that the other has occurred. But P of E1 is given EF, but P of F1 is given F1. Then we can extend this multiplication rule to any number of events. Suppose E, F and G. E, F and G are any three events of the same sample space. Then probability of EFG, what is EFG? E intersection F intersection G is equal to probability of E into probability of F given E into probability of G given E intersection F. That is EF and no, continue. Probability of E in E intersection F intersection G is equal to probability of E first into probability of second one given the first into probability of the third one given the first two, EF, E intersection F. Similarly, 4 events are there. Again, we can H is there. Probability of H given EFG. Okay, this is called multiplication rule or theorem on probability. By using, we have to do certain problems. Okay.